In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana in our full beginner's guide for 2025. Whether you're managing a small team or gearing up for a large-scale project, Asana is an invaluable tool that can help streamline your work process. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. For those who are new to Asana, you can click Get Started or try for free to set up a new account. Once you're logged in, it's time to set up your marketing project in Asana. This begins with creating a new project. Just click on Create a Project. From there, you can choose Blank Project for a clean slate, or select from customizable templates such as Marketing Campaign or Product Launch. Using a template can save time and provide a structured starting point, especially if you're new to managing projects. Next, you'll want to name your project. A clear and descriptive title such as Q2 Social Media Strategy sets the tone for your project's direction and makes it easily identifiable amidst multiple projects. With your project created and named, choosing the right layout is crucial for organization. Asana offers several views. Opt for the list view if you prefer structured task lists. Use the board view if you're a fan of the Kanban approach with its visual columns, or select calendar view to focus on tracking deadlines efficiently. The next step is defining your project goals and scope. Set clear objectives by identifying the purpose of your campaign. This could mean increasing brand awareness, driving more site traffic, or generating leads. Clearly defined goals help align your team and provide direction. Then break down your project into key milestones. This means splitting the project into phases, such as planning, execution, launch, and review. It's an excellent way to track progress and ensure that you're meeting deadlines. After setting your project milestones, you'll need to organize tasks and assign responsibilities. Begin by creating sections or stages within your project. Use headings like research, content creation, design, publishing, and analytics to keep your tasks organized. For better manageability, break down larger tasks into smaller, actionable subtasks. This helps in distributing work evenly and avoids overwhelming your team members. It's also important to set due dates and prioritize these tasks to maintain clarity and ensure that nothing falls behind schedule. Next up, assign tasks to team members. Transparent delegation of responsibilities avoids confusion and ensures accountability across your team. Once your project is set up, take advantage of Asana's powerful features for efficient management. Use task dependencies to indicate when one task must be completed before another can start, effectively managing your workflow. Custom fields allow you to track specifics like task progress, priority levels, or budget allocations. This customization keeps everyone informed and on the same page. Then explore automations to handle repetitive actions, such as automatically moving tasks to the next stage upon completion. Lastly, make use of Asana forms for efficiently managing content requests or approvals. Forms streamline requests and centralize information, helping you stay organized. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll harness the full potential of Asana, making project management smoother and more effective. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you implement these practices in your next project.